Hi guys, we are here with Quan from the LA County Assessor Office, right? This is the first time we've been going to this event maybe for the past 10 years, but this is the first time our booth really next to each other. But the LA County Assessor Office is one of those government entities that I think is very, very efficient. From my personal experience, I went to your office in El Monte, like it's so quick, like I'm surprised, right? But there's many of my clients, in the last 12 months, we sold about 600 homes.
Wonderful.
So we help over 1,200 families in the last 12 months. But can you share one or two things that every year I ask you the same question, but what is the top three things that homeowners needs to know?
The top three things. One thing is they need to file for the homeowner's exemption. It's not an automatic exemption, but it saves them $70 a year off their annual property tax
And how
bill.
do we do that?
Well, the form is sent to you automatically, but if you don't get the form or you might have thrown it out, you can visit our website, assessor.lacounty.gov, and download the form. It's called the Claim for Homeowners Exemption. The deadline for filing is February 15th, but you still have until December 10th to file this year to get a partial exemption. And then in 2020, you get the full exemption.
So some people who don't know, what is that means? What does homeowner exemption mean?
A homeowner's exemption basically means that the property is your principal residence. You live there, and that's your domicile. And you can save $70 off your annual property tax bill if you take advantage of the homeowner's exemption. So that's the first top thing.
That's the first one.
Yeah, the second top thing is if you don't have an impound account and you're paying taxes on your own, just because you don't get a bill does not mean you do not owe taxes. You always will owe property taxes. Taxes are due by December 10th and April 10th. So if you don't get your bill by November 1st of the year, you need to contact the county. You can call the assessor or the treasurer tax collector. More than happy to send out a substitute bill.
That's very common mistake because people say, I don't receive the bill.
That's right. That's right. But non-receipt does not excuse any penalties.
That's common mistake. What other common mistakes you see around here?
Other common mistakes.
What about when somebody passes away?
Oh, big one. It's what people don't know is that when someone passes away in their own property, the estate, someone needs to notify the assessor that the property owner has died. They need to file a change of ownership statement as the real property owner. You only have 150 days to file if the property is in a trust. If it's going through probate, then you file at the time you do the inventory and appraisal. But a lot of people don't know that, and they need to notify the assessor. And if the beneficiary of the decedent is a child, let's say both mom and dad have now died, and the beneficiary is the children, if they want to continue paying taxes on their parents' low Prop 13 value, they need to file for a parent-child exclusion.
Carol, Quan has been extremely helpful. For the past 10 years, there is no one I think you are the only one that I know for the past 10 years going through the community, teaching homeowners about all of this. How do you do that?
Well, it's very important. It's very important. I want people to have the information so that they can make informed decisions.
And if you go to the website, the information is very clear, but then she also do a lot of live classes. What is the website one more time for people to go?
Assessor.lacounty.gov. Assessor.lacounty.gov.
Extremely helpful, and don't miss out on her next public speaking. I don't know the schedule, but I'm going to pass out the next one. All right, thank you.